Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from PeoplePerHour payouts in America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process on PeoplePerHour, log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate and click on the withdraw option. You will see various withdrawal methods available. Select the method that suits your needs best. If you're in America, consider using PayPal for convenience. Click on the chosen withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you meet the minimum withdrawal limit specified. Follow the prompts to link your withdrawal method if you haven't done so already. If using PayPal, you'll need to provide your email address associated with your account. Double-check all the entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. Withdrawal processing times may vary based on the chosen method. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Once the funds are processed, check your PayPal account or chosen method for the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues, reach out to PeoplePerHour support for assistance. With these steps, you are now ready to withdraw your earnings with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.